Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going like.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going home after 10 months on board, so it's just like tiring time for me. So before I go home, it's kind of stressing time because I need to do quarantine there. Oh my god, it's such a big place, secret place, and nobody's there. So see you there, guys. I would like to make vlog there, so see you there. Here the media is right there in front of us. There they are. Guys, now we are going to inside the soldier ship that's sent by the government of Indonesia. So maybe you guys can see the news on the TV of Indonesia, even it's goes to viral to Indonesia. So you guys can check on my YouTube channel, and because I will upload this video very soon, so just wait there. So you guys, I need to stop the video because I need to do the check first with the doctor there. See white t-shirt there, told me. Even the media of Indonesia come here to report us, to record it. What happened is here. So guys, keep on watching my YouTube channel. So there some information will be posted, and then soon the video will be uploaded over there. Thank you guys. See you there. Hi guys, as you can see here, the staff start doing their job here. So I will start recording this thing. So guys, we are going now to do something there. I think it's just like a registration here. So check my YouTube channel as always. So I will update the information there. Bye.